question says, aggregate demand is composed of expenditure components that include consumption, investment, government spending, and net exports. We know that this equation is also similar to GDP. Y equals C plus I plus G plus NX. And so all of those things are expenditure components that are included in aggregate demand. And so we say this is all of the above. And again, net exports we want to note is exports minus imports. We just call that net exports. So with that in mind, again, this is a very just definition-based question, something that you'll just have to know. And so we can take a look at the previous answers. The previous tutor said that the aggregate demand is the total quantity demanded by all the consumers in the economy at a particular point in time. When we draw the aggregate demand on a graph, then it shows the inverse relationship between the price and the GDP. Aggregate demand is the sum of 4 expenditure components known as consumption, government spending, investment, and the net export. So you can say the option E is the correct answer. Good. Mark that as correct. And we can move on to the next question.